Hi, this is Tiffany Howell with BioL2114 Lab. I'm doing my video essay questions for digestion. The essay question is: describe the sequence of events that occur when you're very hungry and enter a house where you smell delicious food cooking. Include both nervous system and digestive system processes. My response is: when the stomach has went 2 hours or more with no food intake, it will begin to contract and to move the last little bit of food remains into the intestines. Your stomach will then start to growl, or babagormus, which is the actual name for it. But before your stomach even begins to rumble, your mouth is already producing more saliva, which begins the preparations for the digestive process. You start producing more saliva because your hypothalamus receives the message that the body is hungry. The hypothalamus is in control of the body's response to food, whether it be the feeling of fullness or feeling hungry. When the body is hungry, the hypothalamus's nerve cells are activated and will send out two proteins that cause hunger called neuropeptide Y and a Gouty-related peptide, and then two more proteins that inhibit hunger called cocaine amphetamine regulated transcript and melanocyte stimulating hormone. These four proteins will eventually meet up and send out hunger signals. Hunger is also controlled by hormones that circulate in the blood that come from the stomach, fat, and the pancreas. Ghrelin, which is a hormone that comes from the stomach, as the stomach empties, the amount of ghrelin will increase, which makes us feel very hungry. The colon also sends out a hormone called insulin, like peptide 5, which also makes us feel hungry. When you finally get to take a bite out of whatever you're smelling, the digestive process starts with ingestion. Along with ingestion, we have mechanical processing, which is when we are chewing the food into smaller pieces that we can swallow and not choke on. Then we go to digestion, which is the chemical breakdown of food that breaks the food down into even smaller molecules for absorption for it to travel through the GI tract. Secretion then comes into play, which is where the cells in the GI tract and glandular organs secrete water, enzymes, acids, buffers, and salts. Then absorption sets in, and it moves the micronutrients into the blood or lymph vessels to distribute to the cells. Lastly but not least, we have excretion. What the body does not or cannot absorb, it will remove through defecation. This is the ending of my video questions. Thank you.